yeah man, this is public report. You don't know say the thing set away where. But we just want to see what I want. Them video is basically just for, you know, identify, say, a thing terrible and a joke business, right? A lot of people have it worse than me. A lot of person have it worse than even the person who I think about right now. But guess what? If you can't do anything, do anything. If you can't do anything, just say no love and respect. You know what I mean? I'm pray for it. So I'm going to show you some video right now. Them video is basically what I'm going in SAV-LA-MAR, my hometown.
Serious hurricane. I've never seen one like this in Jamaica before. I'm telling you.
It's very crazy, but guess
Man, you have to give thanks to life. I tell you, we have love life, and once we life, there's hope.
True.
You know?
Just hold the fort.
Stay safe.
Tell him where you want to remember.
MLF Records.
Chains are broken, skies are clear, and the sound of freedom is drawing near. From every nation, tribe and tongue, a new song rises, a song unsung. We were shadows, now we shine. We were lost, but now it's time to rise again. Oh, children, rise again. Shake the dust, break the chain, let the fire burn within. Rise again. Oh, children, rise again. This is the moment, this is the sound when hearts are free. We rise again. Scars don't define us, it shows we've survived. And the truth in our heart keeps the dream alive. No more silence, no more fear. The anthem of hope is what we hear. We were shadows, now we shine. We were lost, but now it's time to rise.